If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be.
Hello, beautiful angels. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this cute little bag. So this is Lip Monthly for the month of August 2020. So we're going to do the unboxing and also try on. And before we dive in, welcome. And I'm so happy that you're here. And if you're stopping by for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and please give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. So this is the card that I received. So it says Lip Monthly August 2020. Some of the products my bag may contain. So this is this month's bag. So this is how it looks. But the last month bag, I think this is like a July month bag. So it's more or less the same kind of material. This is more like pinkish purple and more purplish pink. If you know what I'm talking about, but the design is like little different. So this is July and this is the August. And for those who doesn't know, Lip Monthly, it's $12.95 I believe, and it's a monthly subscription box and you will be getting 4 full-size items. Usually they include one of the item that is not the lip product. That's been the scenario for my last month, and this is my second time unboxing the Lip Monthly. So without further ado, let's see what we got. First beauty that I see is this one right here. So this beauty is what? Estate Lip Icing, and this is the shade Lick. But let me swatch this a bit. I just want to see how it looks. So this is how it looks. This smells like lipstick mixed with chocolate. Let's see what we got next. This one. This color is like, wow, it's like a baby pink, but I'm not sure how it's going to look. So but this is from Cargo Cosmetics, and this is in the Stockholm. I don't know if that is what it's called, but let's see if the card has the info on this one. Okay, so they do have it. So this is called Estate Cosmetics Lip Icing, and the price on this beauty is $20. And the price on this one right here is this is Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Gloss, and the price on this one is $16. Let's see what we have next. Silo Noir. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. This doesn't look like full size. It's kind of small kind of size. And this is black. I'm assuming this is eyeliner. So this is how it looks. So this is the beauty that I'm talking about. The fourth product that I have is so this is the beauty. Wow, this is a very pretty color. So the price on this one is $15. This month we have equipped your bag with 2 lippies. Additionally, due to the times that we are living in, we realized that many of you may be wearing face mask and your lips may need a break. Given this, you may receive 2 non-lippies in your bag this month. Oh, okay. So the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. That's interesting because it's good to know that when a subscription box do think about the circumstances that we are living in currently, and they think about their customers. That is like really awesome. We have 2 eye products and 2 lip products. So let's see like if I can make any eyeshadow look using this beauty. Using this beauty right here. So this is Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm going to use this one right here. So this is my Morphe James Charles, the mini palette. I'm going to go with this black right here, and this as my transition shades. I'm taking the flat brush, flat fluffy brush, and I'm going in with this color right here, black, and then I'm going to apply that to my crease. Okay, I switched to this fluffy brush, and then I'm going to go in with this transition shade right here. I'm going to apply this to my corners, like the outer edge in the sense, not the corners. Okay, time to cut the crease. That is done, I'm going back with my angled brush and then taking that black and then applying it to my outer corners. Going with this fluffy brush, so with whatever product is there, I'm just dragging that in, not taking any black eyeshadow. So I'm trying to drag that eyeshadow just to give that ombre effect. Time to apply this beauty. So I'm going to go in with this flat brush. And I'm going to apply the same thing to my other eye. So I'm going to take the NYX white eyeshadow and just I'm going to apply. So this is what we are looking at. Go Cosmetics Lips Gloss Swatch, but this is like too light. Okay, I'll have to try the other one. I'm going to complete my rest of the makeup.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull.
If you like this video so far, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more unboxing videos. And well, that's pretty much it for today, guys, and hope you loved today's video. And let me know in the comments below, like if you like my eye look and if you ever want to give it a shot. And also, love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.